Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the TCL TV here and this is a TCL Google TV. So this should apply to any Google TV, more specifically to the TCL brand, alright? So today guys, we're going to add our flash drive to this TV and I'm going to show you how to access your files. Now of course, the flash drive is already added and it's been added to the USB ports at the back, alright? So once we have done that on your device, you should get a pop-up. All right, you're gonna see this particular screen and you should get some options. All right, so once the drive is in, and it will disappear at times, but don't worry. All right, so of course this is the screen. If in case it keeps disappearing on you, you can simply start moving back and forth, and of course it should fix the issue. All right, you can go to photos or go to all files, and once that happens it should bring you to this screen here, and of course this is the file explorer, and you can go over. In case you miss this screen, simply reinsert the flash drive and it will appear again. All right, so you can see my files, they're arranged according to what's on here. I have photos, all right, I have audio, I have all files. All right, so depending on what you want, you can go to the file itself. All right, so I'm gonna go to my phone cameras because I don't want to get a copyright strike, so I'm gonna play one of the videos that's from my phone. All right, so I have two here. I have a file. All right, so I'm gonna play that file. Alright, so as you can see, the file does work, and of course you can now play your video files. I can also play audio files. Here I'm on the audio files, and of course I can play some non-copyrighted music here. So I'm going to play this recording. Alright, so this is the built-in player. Alright, so it does play fine. You can customize as you want, and you can also view your photos. So for example, I can go to photos and then I can actually tap, and this is the photo section. Alright, so that's how to do it on your device. Alright, so when you're finished, you can simply hit back, and of course you can exit completely. All right, so you can go home. All right, just in case also, if you don't, as I said, you can reinsert the drive into the TV and it will automatically bring up that menu that you saw earlier to play. All right, so just in case you missed it and you don't want to be inserting and removing the flash drive repeatedly to get that menu, as I said, you can hit back and forth to keep moving and it will keep on the screen, or simply I'll show you where to navigate to. So if you go down to your apps here and move over, there is a media player option. So once the flash drive is detected, simply go over to your media player. You're gonna tap, and there you go. Your flash drive is here. So you can hit USB drive and you're in the same place. All your files are right here. All right, so that was easy, and that's how to access your files on your TCL TV. All right, so of course it's very easy. Just simply go to the media player or access it as soon as you insert it. All right, do hope this was useful, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.